In this tutorial, I'll show you how to submit a request for assistive technology accommodations on the RISE test. First, go to utahrise.org and log into TIDE. Then navigate to Forms and click Submit Forms. Assistive technology is the default option, so click Select. This form is not for students using Scribe, speech-to-text, or word prediction accommodations. That's the other form for scribing. This is for everything else. If you're not sure what's included in everything else, look under Resources on utahrise.org, under User Guides, and check the Assistive Technology Manual to see what the options are. Again, this will be assistive technology that students use in instruction in school every day, so hopefully it's clear to you what assistive technology is required for the student. Select your school and your student on the form, and then explain what type of assistive technology needs to be enabled, giving brand names where possible. Explain select what type of plan this is for, an IEP, a 504, something else, and then select which tests this will apply to. Once all that is composed and selected, click Agree and Submit, and then staff at USPE can switch on this accommodation on their end. Because this requires staff at USPE enabling things within the interface, it is important that you do this at least 3 weeks ahead of time to give them time to make sure everything is working, and also to give you time to have the student try out that new accommodation or that new tool within the interface using the benchmarks or the training tests. If you have any questions about how assistive technology can work for your student, please let me know. You can reach me at brooke.anderson@jordandistrict.org or at 801-567-8393. You can also reach out to Tracy Gooley at the State Board of Education. She's the Special Education Assessment Specialist. And you can reach her at tracy.gooley at schools.utah.gov or at 801-538-7887.